So you get a cup or a little bowl or something and put it on a flat surface, and then you get snow and pack it in tight around the cup. Pack more. So you build it up around the cup or the bowl and pack it in really tight. You could get a bigger bowl or cup if you wanted to make this a bigger volcano. Okay. Then, okay, Brody, get the soap. You put in a few drops of dish soap. It might be frozen. Okay. A few drops of dish soap. Okay. Then some vinegar. I'm just gonna pour a little in. I think you're supposed to do 2 tablespoons. I'll send you guys the sheet on this so you know how much to do. I don't know if I just said vinegar, but I meant baking soda.
You did.
Oh, okay. So far we have soap, baking soda, and then food coloring. I don't know if I can open this, Bubba. Will you open it? So we chose blue and red food coloring. Okay, do a couple drops of that. Okay, that's probably plenty. Okay, just, it doesn't twist. Just snap it on. Okay, and then red food coloring. Quit, Brooks. Okay, that's good. And really, you should have your snow like packed up more around this so that you can't see the cup and it'll look more like a volcano, but we just didn't pack it up that much. Okay, Brody. So once you have done all that and you're ready, you can pour in the vinegar and it should start your volcano.
Okay, that's good.
Yep.
It's green.
Just do it slow.
Inside the volcano.
Okay, just hold on.
It's erupting. What the heck? It went blue, red, and purple, and purple.
So really, pour a little bit more, Bob. You could make one of these like really big if you have enough supplies. Okay. You could make a really big snow volcano if you wanted to. And we could have put more color in so you can see it better. But that's it.